Look how your fingernail them. Look how your fingernail them long. You talk about godly woman. Look how your fingernail them long. Why you do them a long finger?
That nothing to do with your heart.
Right, so me better not sell me jewelry now, nothing to do with my art. Remember that?
And the things you do, how you do it?
How me do what?
How you bend down now.
How me bend down? How me bend down? Nothing wrong with how me bend down. Me bend down, come me bend down. I serve the woman, you come and complain how me bend down. How me supposed to bend down? Me not bend down like a lady.
No.
Me bend down like a man.
Something similar.
Me bend down like a man? Well, that's good, at least me not bend down like a freaking woman. Right? Listen, me similar, you have a problem with how me bend down. How you bend down?
Always bend like a lady.
You always bend like a lady, that's your finger so long. Bend your back like a lady. But you bend like a lady, me tired of bend, me not bend no more. Don't bend for Jesus Christ. You can't go and bend the long nails them. Go and bend over one and put the post and make the man bend. You're not going to bend me.
Them nails have been on since 1984 till now.
1984? Well, God said when you come to me, I need to make a garments there. You don't need those garments. No, you don't need that. Where you do them big old long finger, a big man like you're supposed to read the Bible. You dress like them like a teenager girl with this big old long finger like you're going to masturbate yourself with it. Come on.
Right?
Them long like them freaking vibrator. Look at them damn nails. They look like vibrator, like you're sexing yourself with them. And I tell me how me bend over. How you bend over, sit down on them nails. How you bend over, sit down on them nails.
When you sit up on them, love.
Huh?
I don't sit on them.
Well, when you see me bend over next time, don't complain on me bend over.
Of course I will.
Don't complain on me bend over. Why?
Okay, bend over like a lady. Regardless what you do. It's not the thing to do.
Me have on tights and make me clothes. Strap up much clothes. Me bend down so I serve the woman. What me do wrong? Why? When me bend down you find me sexy? You don't want to eat the pom-pom when me bend over?
What is that?
The pom-pom between my legs. You don't want to lick it? Huh? That's the pom-pom drink in there and where I drink. I didn't know drink. When you see somebody bend over, don't mess with them because you don't know who is who. I don't know how they might react. I serve most of my customer have for years. I am a lady. Listen, I am a lady. I'm gonna come knock me, come tell me not act like a blood clot lady. You have no right to tell me that. I'm a lady. Lady, you don't even know me. Lady, you don't even know me. You're a blessed now because you don't even know me. You must be careful how you talk. With this damn long old fingernail for your hand. Look like your shit must itch up in your fingernail. When you shit and wipe your body, it must fill up in your nail. That's nasty. Why do them big old long? Where do them big old long nail for? You're a nice woman. Where do the big old long nail for? Why? Got to go. But when you see me next time, don't mess with me. And when you see, do you want to mess with me the next time?
Who mess with you? Who you think? What is it? Of course I will mess. People like you like to mess with me.
You like to mess with me?
People like you.
Why?
You will know why later.
Lady, you look like you're pregnant at all age. Go on where you go.
Yes.
You look like you're pregnant at the wrong tube. Go on where you go.
Me know. That is why people like you will like to schedule for another day. I'm a blessed like
you. Bless up. And remember to masturbate with the long nails.